Welcome to Fun with Nawab. Let's learn daily use English words. Sandwich, sandwich. Dog, dog. Cookies, cookies. Tea, tea. Cat, cat. Ball, ball. Honeybee, honeybee. Chocolate, chocolate. Deer, deer. Elephant, elephant. Peacock, peacock. Lady, lady. Star, star. Juice, juice. Cheese, cheese. Car, car. Scooter, scooter. Truck, truck. Duck, duck. Tractor, tractor. Bus, bus. Tomato, tomato. Chili, chili. Watermelon, watermelon. Butter, butter. Hammer, hammer. Monkey, monkey. Grapes, grapes. Hen, hen. Snake, snake. Bat, bat. Key, key. Jug, jug. Giraffe, giraffe. Horse, horse. Elephant, elephant. Hat, hat. Bag, bag. Fish, fish. Jam, jam. Rice, rice. Bed, bed. Capsicum, capsicum. Peas, peas. Broccoli, broccoli. Tomato, tomato. Guava, guava. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Carrot, carrot. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Blueberry, blueberry. Sapodilla, sapodilla. Train, train. Cake, cake. Orange, orange. Grapes, grapes. Strawberry, strawberry. Mango, mango. Banana, banana. Lion, lion. Red lentil, red lentil. Green gram, green gram. Chickpeas, chickpeas. Kidney beans, kidney beans. Honeybee, honeybee,